Hello everyone. The purpose of this video is to showcase you a quick demo of Akko integration we have developed. Uh, to use the integration, you need to log in with RepairDesk and you can go to integrations. So once you go to integrations part, you can search for the new added Akko integration. Since I've already connected the integration, so it's showing me the connected state. But if you are the new setup part, so it will show you the connect action. So when you will click on it, you can know view the quick overview of about Akko, that what exactly Akko does, and what is the integration scope with the RepairDesk, and there are a few benefits using Akko as well. So if you go to setup, so there are two fields that are mandatory to fill in. The merchant can get both of these fields from directly from Akko platform. So one is partner store ID, that is PS ID, and then partner sales rep ID. So once they input both of these fields, they can connect the integration. Since I've already enabled this, so integration is on at my account. So the actual implementation is on the point of sale. So merchant can go to the point of sale screen. And then once the customer comes in for the repair job, so after checkout, uh, merchant can pitch the Akko plans to the customer that these are the plans that you can get as the insurance. So let's say if a customer is already there, so they can quickly search for the customer. So over here, we can have the given a quick action that is sell plan. So once merchant click on it, we show all the plans that we got from directly from Akko. So there are six plans they can pitch along with the benefits, the coverage, and then the price of each plan. They can also select that if the customer wants a monthly plan or an annual insurance plan. So let's say the customer is willing to buy a screen plan on the monthly basis, so they can click on screen plan, and then we have given these input field, that is device model and IMEI serial, as a non-mandatory fields. You can fill out of these details to keep this record in RepairDesk, but again, this is not important to enter of these details in RepairDesk. If you want to skip it, you can just click on proceed to checkout. Please note that this is not a deep integration. We are using Akko direct checkout option to sell the plan. So we are not also logging the transaction invoice in RepairDesk. So merchant can use their checkout option to sell the plan. So this is the Akko direct checkout option where they can enter the cell phone, the payment information, and sell the plan to the customer by agreeing terms and conditions. But to log the transaction in RepairDesk, once they come back, we are showing that, okay, can you confirm that if you have successfully sell the Akko insurance plan to the customer? And we are also showing the message to the merchant that we are using Akko direct checkout option, and if they close this pop-up, will not log this plan details against the customer in RepairDesk. So we are also showing it as an important note. So since Akko is also giving an option to switch plan to the monthly to annual as well, so we are also uh, have given this option here on this pop-up. So let's say if they have sold it on the annual plan, so they can switch it to the annual, but they can verify all of these details like the plan, billing cycle, and price and everything, and they can click on confirm sale to log this plan against the customer. So over here, if you will search for a customer, you can see that we are showing the number of the associated plan, and anytime merchant can see the associated plan against a customer. We have also shown it into the purchase history under our CRM. So if you go to the customer profile, we are also showing it under the Akko plan, all of these details. So this is the integration overall. Please let me know if you guys have any feedback, comments. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you.